Hi, this is Priscilla Batzell. I'm at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery in Spring Hill, Florida, and I have some Purely Pigments colors from Colourarte. I'm a Colourarte affiliate, so you can find a promo code underneath the video. I'm going to start with my Dancing Fuchsia. And I think that's probably good for now, and I think I'm also going to use my Amsterdam Black. I might be tempted to let these roll over a little bit down toward the edge. I've got 2 paper towels folded, ready to go. I'm not sure I can get them to go all the way across. I want a little more magenta there. And aqua there. Now I have never done this with the Amsterdam Black and Australian Floetrol, but I'm going to try it now, and I'm going to try and pull it toward me. Plenty wet. Let it fall right down over the end. Tip it back toward the beginning and hope I get there. I'm going to just nudge the paint on the edge on this end piece. It's almost completely covered, which is really nice. I don't know what that is, but it's bound to be a thing if it's trailing paint. Now hopefully everything is going to move in a nice fashion. I could do what I did the first time I did this. Trail some colors down. I think I want to do that some more. I still want the black to cover the end. I'm not so sure about that. So I'm going to use my skewer. I do need to tip it over, but I don't really want to. I should have let the paint, my instinct was to let all the paint go over to the edge and use an edge catcher, and I didn't do that, and I'm kicking myself for that. But you never know what can happen. And I got plenty of black paint up here. And I don't really need to waste it anyway. And I like this. I'm going to keep playing. And using my cardigan right after I get rid of the rest of that paint. Actually, I'm just going to wipe it off. I'm inclined, you know what, I've got some gold. And I don't know how old it is, and I don't even know if it's going to work. I don't know if it's going to work if the cap keeps falling onto it. Looks like I might get some cells out of that. Making lemonade out of lemons. The rest of that to come down here. Cool, dredging up colors seems to be something I'm enjoying doing quite a bit. Since nothing really worked out exactly as I planned, that's okay. My residuals and put them right in there. I want some more black. I'm going to use just a little bit this time. So far so good, or some variation on that theme. I like the gold, but I don't think it was monumental enough. I've got some orange. Oh cool, let's try that. Although I like the orange cells at the bottom, so I guess I really don't need that there. Let's just use the black again. Anytime I have paint left over, I'm just going to use it right off the card, right down the side. Thought I was going to use more black in there, and I may still do that. It's dynamic anyway. Let's put a little more black on my card. Not even sure it's going to be qualified as cell activator at this point, as much as a black line. Make those little funky leaf shapes into a plant. Yeah, that's definitely psychedelic, and I've got enough paint kicking around the edges to cover my edges, I think. I could always black them out, I suppose. So that's cool, I think. I got one more place I want to go. A little black. Never done till I'm done. I love those shapes at the top.